Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so last class we discussed some of right backend and how to make it so Terraform state file as lock, unlock, right? So anyone any doubt? So that is very important, and also how to right import command. So to import, how it will work if you want to make non-Terraform resource to Terraform resource, we go for import command. And if Terraform resource to non-Terraform resource, we are using so Terraform, Terraform state, and RM we are using a resource name. Okay, and also if you want to store, as of now we are maintaining local, right? But real time mostly we are not maintaining state file in a local. If you want to maintain, and so cloud S3, so S3 bucket, and that case we are using a Terraform tag. Terraform tag, under Terraform tag we are using backend, and so they are using bucket name, key name, and region. Bucket name, key name, and region. And if you want to make it, and S3 support so locking mechanism. S3 support locking mechanism. If you want to make your state file as locking, and so there is a db dynamo underscore table. There is a one right. One arguments we need to pass. So there we need to give what is that your table name. That's it. Okay, I hope you got it right. These are very important. Mostly provisioners they are asking interview. Provisi provisioners, and what they are provisioners and life cycle, provisioners and life cycle, right. So life cycle, life cycle, and provisioners, there is a file provisional, remote, local, exe, local hyphen exec, and so remote hyphen exec mostly. And if you come to life cycle, what is this life cycle? So right, create before destroy. This is very important. Enter purpose, just remember names only. Create before destroy, and next prevent destroy, prevent destroy. Next what is this? Ignore, ig ignore changes, ignore changes. So these are mostly they are asking. And what is state file and how it will make, and already last class we discussed. Okay, so today we are going to discuss variables, types of variables, and how to declare variables, what is variables, and what is variables, and what is types of variable. We'll see types of variables and all, and how to declare variable and how to run it. So now let's come to here. So as of now we know, right? Come to here. Now I'm go to here. Where is C drive? C drive. Terraform class. I am declaring so new folder variables. Okay, variables. So now under this variable, where is this variables? I am going to create one file, one TF file. That name should be any name, right? TF file, main.tf or vpc.tf, anything. For example, notepad, and I am giving a main.tf file, main.tf file. So here we are going to write your so blacks and all. First provider, right? First providers, provider. We are giving provider name. We are giving provider name. Which provider you want? So AWS provider, and so here mostly we are calling region. What is this region? Which region? Region equal to AP South, AP South hyphen one. Which region you want? And so next profile. Profile, which profile I am using? Default profile. Default means already we configure AWS configure, right? We can use AWS. Now if you go to here, so resource name AWS underscore instance. I am going to create one instance, and so resource name. What is this? I am using uh, So dev hyphen ec2. Just I'm giving some name. Any name we can give it. This is a not a matter we can give. Now if you want to create any any instance, which arguments we need to mandatory? Anyone? While creating instance, at least we need so two, right? What are those? If you want to create any instance, Matpunara, if you want to create any AWS instance, what are the arguments mandatory? First, what we need to select? Hello, am I audible or not?
Yeah, audible. Instance type.
Yes,
Yes.
AMI,
Yeah.
AMI equal to which AMI you want. Next, instance
Type.
underscore
Type.
type. These are mandatory, right? So just remember, without these two, we cannot create. Someone is joined. Wait. Okay. So these are the mandatory. Now AMI means so as of now we are creating a hard coding. Hard coding, right? Now I am go to here my AWS console. If you go to AWS console, click on login, and so click on login. So just I am login my root user. Okay. Now so try to understand how it will work. Variables and all, how to declare and all. Now if you click on instance, and I am in Mumbai launch instance. So this is the AMI. Just I am copying my AMI and paste it. I hope everyone know. So this is the AMI, and instance type T2. We are using which one? Micro or medium? So if you go to here, free
Micro.
tier. Free tier means so what is this? T2 micro. T2 micro. MICRO. T2 micro. That's it. Control S save. Control S. Now see here, there is alignment and all. We don't have proper here. I given, I didn't mention any space and all here. So here I given some space. So there is one more command also is there. If you want to maintain format, format means so proper alignment scripting and all. So there is a what is that command? If you go here, Terraform FMT, correct? Terra
Yes,
Terraform FMT format. Terraform FMT means so Terraform command used to rewrite Terraform configuration file to canonical format and style. So canonical format means one structure. We need to follow one structure how we are writing any file. So just I am using so Terraform FMT. Terraform FMT. Now see here I have only one file. Now if you open this file, so now we can easily open it, how it will work. See here, notepad, so main.tf file. Now see here, automatically it is aligning some format. This is nothing but canonical format. Okay. So which how many space you want to give, and what is the space, how it is maintaining. Suppose you return the Terraform script, but we are not maintaining a canonical format, one proper format. So one line like this I am maintaining, one I am giving here a space, I am giving like this. So we are doing many things, right? No. I want to some format, canonical format, proper way, and that case. So this is the command. This is the command. So what is the command? FMT format. So this is the, if you want to proper alignment, just give Terraform space FMT. If you given any, if you write anyway, and it will come so on proper way. What happens? Nothing. Okay. Now if you go here, so now uh, not notepad, so Terraform FMT, and I don't have. Now we need to maintain so that notepad only. Okay, main dot notepad, it will come proper way. See here how it will work. Now anyway, now here tags, right? So tags equal to tag name. So what is the tag name? We can use the name equal to I am giving so dev hyphen is it, just I am giving some name, whatever name is it. That's it. Control S. Now if you want to give proper way, same Terraform format, something missing, where it is missing, main.30 line resource, what it is missing. Double quotation is extra. Save. Now try it. Now Terraform format. Now open Notepad. Notepad main.tf file. Main.tf file. Now see here it is aligning proper way. Now anyone any doubt? Here no doubt, right? So now this and all but everything here I am hard coded. See here I given AMI hard coding, instance type hard coding, but real time for practice initial we are right. We are maintaining like this only. Now everything working fine. There is no doubt. See here Terraform, Terraform. So Terraform if you use init command, it is download the plugin and so next Terraform plan only. Terraform plan only. But real time we are going to write many Terraform script file, right? Yes or no? We are writing many files, not only single file. So that case, how we can maintain, how we can declare separation. Suppose if you want to modify something, Terraform, Terraform plan. So now everything okay. So Terraform plan and all. It is working fine. But real time not only single file. We are going to create multiple files for VPC, separate security group, and so subnets and internet gateway. There is many things, right? Everything we are going to separate. Now we are not going to like this. This is initial, right? Now I am going to split this in variables. Right? So what is variable? Even shell scripting variable, Python variable, Java variable, same way. So variables in Terraform. Terraform also there is a one concept, variable concept. If we click on, these are the input variables. So these are the input variables, output variables, local variables. So mostly there is three types: input variable, output variable, and a local variable. So what is input variable? See, input variables let you customize the aspect of Terraform models without model's own source code. The functionality wise, when you declare the variable in the root module of your configuration, you can set their values. Various CLI, command line interface, whatever you want. So now if you go here, see here, so like this we are going to declare variable name. We can give any name. We can give variable and variable name type equal to string. So type equal to string. So these are the variables. Before that, so these are the arguments. We can pass default arguments and so a default value which then make the variable optional, and there is a type, description, validation, and so these are the default values how it will work. So the variable declare can also include default arguments if present. So the variable is considered to be optional. And types of constraint, so these are the string. We can use numeric, we can use boolean, list, set, map, objects, tuple. There is different types of these are the different types of constraints. So string means double quotation, whichever I am passing, that is nothing but string, right? Number 0 to 9. We can give any number. Only numbers. Boolean means hello. These are some simple basics only. String means which we are passing. For example, here I am giving a name equal to. So for example, here I am going to declare one variables. Variable. So variable name I am giving something, and here we can pass whatever you want. So for here I am passing. So whatever you want. So here we can pass it. Okay. For example, so name equal to, here I am giving string. I am giving string. Any name. This is a key and this is a value, right? Same format. And default. We can, these are the whatever we want we can pass. This and all based on requirement we can. I am using T2 micro. MICRO. And what is this purpose? Instance type. Okay. Instance underscore type. I am giving so variable name instance underscore type, and name equal to string. Name equal to string. Same. Whatever you want we can declare like here. Whatever you want we can declare. See here. So name equal to string, that is type. So here type, generally we are passing key and value pair, right? Here type equal to string, type equal to a type. Type means what type? This is whether string or number, whatever you want. This is the string, and default I am giving this is, and if you want to, we can add description. These are our arguments. Description. This is the instance type. Like this we can declare. So like this we can declare many variables. Whatever you want, we can declare many variables. Now what I am going to do, same thing I am going to declare here. This is my file, right? Main data. As of now I given hard coding, right? Now I am going to declare one black variable black. Under variable black we can give any name and instance underscore type, and so type equal to string, default equal to I am giving t2 micro, and description I am, this is the instance type. Now I declare one variable, right? How to call this variable in our main in our so in this black. So now as of now I given so this is the t2 micro. Now instead of giving like this, we can call, how we can call, guys? So this is a variable, right? If you want to call any variables in variables black, so where dot now anyone, instance instance underscore type, instance underscore type. అర్థమవుతుందా? So now see here I given hard coding. So but real time we are not maintaining single file, right? In real time we are going to maintain multiple files, and we want to separation. I want to do some separation variables and all. I want to declare separate place, and I want to call these variables in this particular. So that case we are going to variable, and these are the string variable, and so number variable. There is different types available, number and boolean and map and also set and also tuple. There is many types we can use. So we need to understand these all are the some of basics, and see here whatever you want we can pass it. String we can pass, number we can pass, boolean we can pass, list, set it won't allow duplicate, list it will allow duplicate, map means dictionary format, and tuples also dictionary format. These are the types, these are the type. So we need to understand how it will work. Otherwise, right, this is confusion only. So if you want to declare any variable, how to declare, these are the syntax. These are the syntax. But syntax is same only. Syntax is same only. See here, type, and what is variables, how to declare. See here, instance type, and ami equal to, they are calling this variable dot image id. Where is this image id? Maybe somewhere they declare image id. So if you go and you can check it. So now see here, copy this one, copy f paste. Now they declare somewhere variable terraform. See here, mid image id equal to mid, and export. So see here they are calling variable equal to image id and type equal to string, and availability zones also. Now first we'll see, this is simple exam, right? Now I declare one variable. Now I declare one variable. This is my, we can give any name, guys. Here we can give any name, and type equal to I given string, and default I given, and so t2 micro double quotation, and so description. This is the this is DevOps instance type. We can give anything, whatever DevOps instance type. Save it. Now see here, if you want to call, now here I declare t2, right? Now variable dot, here I am giving where dot so where dot var. How to call this one? We need to give this name. Whatever name we are mentioning, we need to give this name. That's it. Clear?
Clear up.
Now see here, remaining story same only. So now Terraform, just if you want to give a format, and so notepad main.tf. Now it is aligning properly. See here. So type equal to string, I given default equal to instance, and now same way this is the AMI ID. This is the AMI ID. So now I don't want to give a hard coding. I want to declare like variables. How can declare? Same, copy paste, we can declare many variables. Copy paste, and this is the AMI, instance underscore AMI or AMI, whatever, INS AMI. What is this? AMI. We can give any name, INS instance and a string. And what is this? Default value. I am setting a default value, this one only. If you don't want, we can remove also. This is also optional, but right now I am being here. Okay, default value. Now description. This is the this is DevOps AMI type. AMI type. That's it. Whatever you want. This is only description, right? Whatever you want, we can pass it. Now, how to call this variable here? How to call this variable here? How to call variable dot var dot what is the name? How to call? How
AMI underscore
AMI
instant.
underscore instance. AMI underscore instance. I hope clear, right? Same only. I'm going to split it variables. Instead of hard coding, now I declare one variables and two variables. This is one variable for so instance type, and one variable for AMI, and I declare here. Just I am calling here. That's it. Remaining story same only. Now see, check it. So Terraform plan. Now if we have any errors, so now we can see. Or else we can use Terraform validate also. See here, one resource add. Now Terraform apply. Nothing. I hope you got it right. Why you go for declare, right? Real time we are maintaining like this only. So this and all I am going to split a different way. So first try to understand what is variable, why you go for variable. Instead of writing hard coding, and I want to declare variables, and wherever you need, so there we need to call. That's it. Variable dot variable name. That's it. Now remaining story same only. Now if you want to, we can check it whether it is working or not. So it is pick a proper. See, it is creating EC2 dev hyphen EC2 instance, and also it is typing also same. Now see here, one resource added. Now go to here, go to your here, just go to EC2 instance dashboard and click on here, click on dashboard, and so now see here, instance is creating or not. So but real time see AMI. What is your AMI? How to you get AMI? See here, this is the AMI. Same AMI it is coming or not? Double one C, double one C. See here, double one C. Actually I declare here. Now I call it this variable here. How to call variable dot name, variable name. Now type T2 micro, T2 micro. So where that is T2 micro, whether it is picking, or else we can see here itself, right? If you go here instance, here also see this is the T2 micro, where is that? Here also somewhere we can see, right? See here instance type T2 micro, whatever I declare it is coming or not. See, T2 micro. Clear? Hello,
Yes, sir.
anyone, any doubt here? For example, here I am using so tag name. No, tag name also I want to declare variable. Now you can declare one variable whatever you want. Okay. So now you know, right? Count. Count means so how we are using count here? We are using count. Same, right? Count equal to we are giving how many instances. Correct? Same way we
Yes.
can declare here also. If you instead of hard coding here, if you want to, we can declare one variable, and so type equal to string or number. Type count అనేది name pass చేసినాను, number pass చేసాను, string pass చేసాను.
Number.
Count equal to number. Whatever you want, we can call it. So already everything available here. Just we can understand types of how we can declare variables. So input variable means I want to give some variables and provide input variable when prompted during the apply or plan. At runtime also we can pass it. So see here, and so what is basic input variables, how it will work. So we are going to define, they are giving some file name and define below listed variables. So they declare, so region and also region, right? And one more thing, region. Now here I am giving region equal to hard coding, AP South, right? AQ South. Now I am going to declare one more variable for region purpose. I don't want to give, I am going to change here only. So this is the, okay, region. Whatever we want we can give. So dev apps underscore region, we can give region. Type equal to string, and so default, which region you want, guys? Default. Default I am giving ap
UP
south
South one.
hyphen 1. Now I declare here. Now no need to write here hard coding. Now how to call that variable? Where dot, where dot, and what is the variable name? Where dot, what is the variable name?
DevOps underscore
DevApps
region.
underscore region. Just copy and paste. ఇలా ఉంటుంది మనకు రియల్ టైంలో. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ ఫైల్ కాదు, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్ అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సపరేట్. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సపరేట్. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సపరేషన్. So now feature, if they want to change, no need to go here, no need to go main.txt file and this one. Clear? Now everything, but this is not also good practice, this is also not also best practice. Everything I am returning in the same file. Got it? మొత్తం నేను ఎక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను? మెయిన్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్లోనే రాసేసాను. బట్ రియల్ టైమ్ వీఆర్ నాట్ మెయింటైనింగ్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్. సో యూజువలీ వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ మెనీ ఫైల్స్. సో హియర్ variables dot, so there is a one fail, we are going to declare one variable. So see here, variable variables dot tf file, variables dot tf file. Also we can declare different environment variables also we can declare, and also terraform dot tf tfvar, tfvar we'll see later. Terraform dot tf var file also we can use dev dot so tfvar file. And environment purpose, if you want to use like this, tfvar, for example production purpose prod dot tfvar. Now production dev related and all I'm going to declare here. Stage related variables and all I'm going to declare here. Production related we'll see later. Everything we are available here. Now see here, first we'll see so variables and all, install and all, how it will work. Now see here, input variables, add new variables, variables.tf file. So if you want to give any variables, and I am going to separate, so separate file instead of writing single file. Very simple. Now everything I declare here. No, 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 sir. I want to create a separation, but real time we are maintaining separation only. How we are going? Now same coming to here, notepad. First before I am going to destroy, plan, destroy hyphen auto hyphen approve. Now I'm going to destroy. Now everything I written single file, right? So but we are going to split multiple files. Now if you want to declare any variable, so if you want to declare any variable, now I am going to declare one more file, variables.tf file. Under this file I am going to declare my all variables. Now got it? Now this is very simple only, nothing. See here, now as of now, I declare everything in same file. Now I don't want, just I am cut all these things, whatever variables I declare, and I am going to write one more file. What is the file name? Let me finish it. Variables dot, what is the file name? Variables dot tf file. Tf should be mandatory, Terraform file. Now see here, destroyed, and so notepad notepad variables dot tf file separation. Now yes, and just paste it. That's it, guys. Now see here, Anyone, any doubt here? Instead of writing single file, I created one separate file, variables.tf file. So whichever variables you have, everything we can declare here. That's it. Now we can easy, right? If you want to check what is the variable, how it is coming. Now see here, save it, and the remaining story same only. No need to worry. Now Terraform validate. Now check it. Something is missing. What is this? Variable.tf line number 15, variable DevOps region. The variable name DevOps region was already declared at main.tf file. It is not saved. So what is this throwing? Main.tf file already available. First you need to save it. Save this one and go to here. This is also save it. Now got it. Now see here, I saved. So Terraform validate. Must unique name. It won't allow duplicate. Now see here, validation is success. Now remaining story same. Clearless, Terraform, Terraform, Terraform plan. Now try to understand. Now if feature, if you want to declare any variable, where you need to go declare? We are going to declare here or we are going to declare here? Variables. This is the instance main file, right? And if you want to declare anything, so we need to go and declare here. For example, VPC. So VPC, I want to declare so VPC name and all. So how we are creating VPC? Now plan, right? Want to add. అర్థమవుతుందా? For example, VPC CAC black ఉంది కదా, or VPC name, anything, whatever you want. So just declare here and call it. This is the first. This is the basic. Now we can split multiple ways also. Now see here, the new variables in variable.txt file named ec2 underscore type, whatever you want. So whatever you want, I declare one file, variable.tf file, and in the variable.tf file I declare all my variables. Suppose if you want to tag related also, we can declare one more tag. Now see here, this is tag name. Okay, devaps hyphen underscore, I given tag any name string. So default I'm giving, so devaps hyphen ec2 I want to give like this. Now save and I declare. Now how to come? If you want to add here, I given hard coding, right? Instead of hard coding, what you need to do? Variable dot, how to call this variable? Variable name. Copy this one,
DevOps underscore.
devaps underscore tag. That's it. Now see here, save. Now I'm running it. How it will work? Terraform, Terraform plan. Now see here, Terraform apply. నిన్న చేసింది సేమే, ఈరోజు చేసింది సేమే, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్? ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ ఇట్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ ఇట్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్. Yesterday I written everything in single file. Now I'm going to write each and everything separation. So in future, if you want to modify, this is easy, right? Future, if you want to modify anything, so wherever we want, we can go and modify. So if you want to modify variables, go to variable file. If you want to modify anything here, we can add. For example, I want to add one VPC. How we are writing VPC? You know, right? First, let me finish this one. Now same way, this is default. Now Terraform init, Terraform validate, format and all. Now so input variables overwrite default value with the CLI arguments. For example, if you want to override, so as of now it is creating which region, guys? For example, as of now, so it is creating which region? AP South, or for example, just assume as of now my instance is creating where which AMI? This AMI. No, I don't want this AMI, or I am using a T2 micro. I don't want T2 micro, I want to T2 medium. So I want to override runtime. So see here, that case we can give like this also. See, input variables override default value with the CLI. So by default I given in variable section, if you want to override this one, we need to give so this is the command. What is this command? Hyphen hyphen, see here, hyphen hyphen variable, and that variable whatever you want, and whatever you want count. So we need to use this one, we need to use so that one. Now first I created, right? Now where it is created as of now, anyone gets it? Same, I didn't modify anything. So it is creating AP South. It is created AP South only, and this is the AMI ID. This is the instance type. This is the instance type. Okay. Now I want to overwrite. So how do write that one? So this is the command. This is the command. See here, Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Same. We can give whatever we want. We can give. Now first check it. What is this? Dashboard. Now see here, DevOps EC2, and this is my T2 micro. Now I want to change the T2 medium. Now how to override command line? Same command only. Hyphen hyphen. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి మనం hyphen var variable
Hyphen
equal
var.
to, and so which one you want to overwrite? So I want to override this one. I want to override this one, right? Now copy this one. This one I want to override instance type. Instance type. What you want? T2 medium. Now see here, as of now it is T2 micro only. I want to overwrite. So now it is micro, right? Now I'm going to run it. Now just run it. So this is the hyphen variable equal to that variable name, and whatever you want we can update. This is the runtime CLI. What is the problem?
Variable name is equal to, not var data, only name. Up arrow,
Value for declare here.
up arrow, or remove var.
Sorry. Again I call it, right?
And also one more thing, variable name, you are giving argument name. You give an argument name.
Wait.
Just go to your document.
It here.
What is
So
the name? Dev EC2 is equal to dev hyphen EC2. You need to give.
wait. Where is that? Dev. This one, right?
Yeah.
Right. First, what they are giving? EC2 instance type equal to what here? Hmm.
Variable name is equal to
What is that name there?
argument value.
What name I given?
Dev hyphen something you give.
Dev hyphen underscore.
Underscore.
Dev
Underscore.
hyphen
Hyphen only, not underscore.
EC2. Okay, na? Anything?
Yeah. Dev hyphen EC2 equal to T2 medium.
Medium.
That is the right. Even see variable name on second.
Root. Any double quotation variable in the undeclared. Actually, variable this name, right? What is the
Go to your variables proper document.
this?
I think these are not your variables.
Right. First, open my variable file. Go to here, variables.f. Okay. Now this is the instance type.
Yeah.
This is correct, all right? Instance type.
Instance type is equal to T2 micro.
T2 micro. This is the actual name, not that one. This is instance type. Okay. Now clear.
That's it.
Variable Terraform apply hyphen variable equal to your variable name equal to T2 underscore
Variable
micro.
value.
Okay. Now run. Now see here, if you want to proceed, now see here tilde symbol also. See instance type. Now see here T2 micro to it changed. What? T2 micro to T2 medium.
Intermediate.
Medium. It
Mm.
is updating. Okay. Just press enter. Where is enter? Yes. yes. Okay. Now check it whether it will change or not. We'll see. Modifying. Now see here, modifying. Here also we can understand instance type. Earlier it is T2 micro. Now it is changed to T2 medium. It is changing to T2 medium. T2 medium. So here only concept is if you want to override what is the syntax, hyphen variable equal to your variable name equal to, if you want to change that case we can use, this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. Where it gone? Hmm. So this is the syntax. Whatever you want we can give. So variable dot they are maintaining. See here. So like this we can pass it. Only we need to remember hyphen var equal to, this is variable name equal to, we can update anything. Now check it if it is updated. See here, changed, not added, not destroyed. Changed means already it is available, just it is updated the changed T2 micro to T2 medium. Now check it really it is changed or not. Refresh it. Now clear guys? Anyone any doubt? So earlier it is T2 micro, right? Now I change it to medium. So here what you understand, if you want to update at runtime, this is same only. Terraform apply hyphen var equal to double quotation, and here we need to give variable name. This is the variable name equal to whatever you want we can update. We can give so your whatever you want to change. So that's it. So if you want to, this is the syntax. We need to remember this one up to this. Remaining and all same only. Already we declare variable, and so directly we can call that one. Directly we can so call this one. So now clear? So now whatever we want the same. Now see here input variable so override with environment variables. Environment variable means for example we are going to declare multiple environments. For example this is the dev environment, and this is the stage environment, and this is the production environment. And here I am going to declare some variables for development, and this is a stage environment I declare few variables, production environment I declare few variables. Now here different files, right? So development there is one file, stage there is one file, production there is a one file. So if you want to call that one, and that case we go for what is this environment variables. See here input variable override with environment variable. This is also same only. To set environment variables, execute a Terraform plan to see and all how it will work. We need to use so this is already we need to declare TF. Here they declare sets environment variables. They declare variables. This is a TF Terraform variable EC2 instance count 1. They declare Terraform EC2 instance T2. They declare, so they declare something. And so if you want to call we can set same way. We can set where they set echo they are printing variable. So these are the environment variable. So now we need to create a multiple. If we create a multiple and the same way, so how to call and all we'll see. Already in this example, I hope everyone received this document, right? So where is this Pati go here. This is the document. Okay, so in this document, so there is a Terraform variables. There is a one folder Terraform variables. If we click on this and we click on so Terraform variables, so here we can see so many types. So these are the basics. Basics means as of now we declare variables and how it will work. So here mostly this is the variable data. How they declare variables. Now see here variable variable name and description, type and default, and they are giving so this is the AMI ID and they declare AMI ID string default, and this is a variable and same count. So description type equal to number, here string, right? Here string, here they given type equal to number, and default they want only count 1. So if you want to, we can increase. So same thing already I executed, and try this one. Remaining same only, no need to worry. If you go here, how they are calling, see here, how they are calling. So where dot it is coming from variable file, variable.tf file. It is coming from variable.tf file. Anyone any doubt this first example? How it is a declared variable, and so they declared variable.tf file and how it will call. Now go to here. What is next one? When prompted, this is the environment variable. Now see here, in environment variable, go to variable section, just open it, and so here so they are declaring instance type same string t2 micro, and the number they given, this is also AMI they given same only. Now this is not change anything. Now go to here, what they changed, this is also same, they call this one, they call Terraform key, and this is the count. Okay, this is the user data. I hope everyone know what is user data. This is the user data. Okay, now environment variables, how they set here, we need to go that file. Where is that file? Go to here, go to here. Now this is the environment, see, so 4, right? They declare step number 4. Step number 4 means where they declare Terraform resource, not here. Variables, Terra environment, step number 4. What they mention here? V4 hyphen input override with the environment variable. They declare some variables, set environment variables and execute the Terraform plan. So now export TF variable equal to the given value.
And yeah, they're given for Linux based. You are in Linux based or you are in Windows based? Tell
Windows.
me
I am
first.
in Windows. Okay,
It,
we'll
it,
see
it won't,
later.
su- it won't
Okay,
support in Windows.
okay, we'll see later. Let's come to Linux and we'll see later. Now, so now see here, assign input variables from the terraform.tf file. So now, as of now, you know, right, what is variable.tf file? Now there is one more file, terraform.tf file. So now see here and define whatever variables you want. I will show you how to declare and init and all. Both are same only. Now we have doubt. So what is difference between? Now we have, right, a variable dot. Now here, as of now, I declare only variables. As of now, I declare variables. So I hope you got some idea, right? Why you go for variable.tf? Clear. Now there is one more Terraform. So now see here, Terraform dot tf var, Terraform dot tf var. So here I declare variables. Now why you go for this one? Interview also one or two people they asked, what is difference between variable.tf file and variable terraform dot. Now see here. Hey, variables dot tf and terraform dot also tf file. Now see here, variable is the for the declaration of variable like name, type, description, default values. In addition to metadata, so there is a file name.tf is for giving the actual variable values during the execution. So execution, if you want to pass some variables, I am going to separate this file. I am going to separate this file. So in this file, I am going to declare some variables. And so it allows to customize the specific execution, which execution you want to, right? So here, as of now, we discuss, right? Like this specific execution, whatever you want. So this is dev means I am calling only this file and stage related variables and all. Mostly I am declaring stage.tf file, var file, and production related, dev related. Now this is the default file name, terraform.tf variable. So that and all mostly we can declare here. Mostly we can declare here. Now see here. Now see, they are maintaining like this. See, this is the main.tf file, provider.tf file, provider, and terraform-dev tf file. So development related, all everything I am going to declare here. Now see here, terraform prod related information variables I am declaring here, and terraform qa quality, so that is testing related variables and all I am going to declare here. Now remaining same, if you want to, we can declare variable.tf file and whatever variables we are declaring. So like this we are clear separation. I am going to declare multiple environments, multiple files. Whenever if we need, whenever I need, just I am calling that and all. Okay, so next class I will show you how it will work in declare in real time, and how to we are executing. So now just we got some idea, right? How to declare variables separation. Instead of writing single file, if you want to declare variable separate, and if you want to declare EC2 separate, and provider also. As of now, I declare provider also, right? This is also we can create one file, provider.tf file, copy this one and paste it, execute it. That's it. Now we have doubt, how Terraform identifies, sir, where is variable, where is provider, where is main data. So that and all taken care by Terraform. You don't worry. Okay. Even if you write single file, it will work. And if you separate multiple files, Terraform knows. It is identifying, and based on this, it reads that variables and it is executing. I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay, so next class we'll see so how to create a multiple TF files, and how to declare variable file, and how we can execute. So real time we are maintaining like this only. For development separate file, production separate file, and QA separate file, stage separate file, and whatever necessary variables, necessary declaration and all, we are going to do only that particular file, and we are running that particular file only. Okay, so just try to practice.